So hello guys, annyeong! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, we will be going to react to a video of Produce 101 in China girls version. So I hope you like this video and please don't forget to subscribe and like to my channel. And thank you so much for clicking this video, and thank you so much in advance for watching this. So without further ado, let's watch the MV music video of Produce 101 China. So let's watch this, guys. Actually, they are very beautiful. Very colorful. I like the lighting. The effects. Oh, the beat. Wow! Wow, my gosh. Oh. Oh, kita. Wow, I like their makeup, guys. Wow, they're so very beautiful. So, wow. I like the stage. So, that's it, Pansit. So, guys, my final thoughts about this is Produce 101 girls version music video is very cool. It's very colorful. I like their music because it has a good vibes, and that's why I like it. I like their choreography, and I like the break dance part. I think I missed something, but I like the breakness because cha cha cha, it looks like hip hop, and I hope and I wish all the contestant uh, good luck. So good luck everyone. So let's keep supporting them. So just click and type YouTube and search Produce 101 China 8 Me Girls version, and they have already the evaluation. I think maybe we will be going to watch and react again that. Comment down below. So sorry guys if I am murmuring when I talk. When I talk, I am murmuring right now because it's already in it's already 2 a.m. but and there are people who are sleeping right now. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video, and please don't forget to subscribe on my channel, the red button, and please, if you want to be updated on my every upload, click the notification bell for you to be updated. So that's it for today. Once again, please don't forget to subscribe to my main channel Bricks de Kuman. I don't have second account, but my channel, sorry for that. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye. Hope to see you in my next one.